Good Wednesday morning, South Carolina weather watchers. Hopefully, everyone had a fantastic Tuesday yesterday. I'm your host for South Carolina weather, Jesse Peterson. Let's talk about the weather for your Wednesday. Now, looking at the radar right now, not much going on right now in terms of the state of South Carolina. Barely any rain falling at all. But if we move over here to the RMS, you can see that we do have some rain going on all the way from New York down into Louisiana, Mississippi, Tennessee, Kentucky, Ohio, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, as well as up here inside of North Dakota. Got some rain up there. Let's check and see. Or actually, that is snow. That is snow up there, actually. And then we do have some snow down here inside the higher elevation, the Rockies up here, or to our west. And then some rain on the eastern side. Also do have flood watches up for portions of central Georgia and over here near Augusta, Barnwell, Allendale, McCormick, and Edgefield. Here's our cloud cover. Pretty much the entire state covered with cloud cover activity right now. Not really else much to say about it. And if we move into our future, you can see that cloud cover continues to take over the state even as we go through the next 24 or so hours. The entire state will be covered by clouds going through the next 24 hours. If you look at our current temperature, 73 in Columbia, 79 in Charleston, 79 inside of Savannah and Beaufort, well, 75 in Georgetown and Myrtle Beach, 77 inside of Sumter and Florence, 73 in Columbia, 68 in Greenville and Spartanburg, as well as 70 inside of Rock Hill and Anderson. High temperatures for today, around 73 in Anderson, Greenville, and Spartanburg, as well as 75 inside of Rock Hill, 77 in Winnsboro, 80 in Columbia, as well as Barnwell, 81 in Orangeburg, Walterboro, 79 inside of Charleston, 82 inside of Moncks Corner, and 81 inside of Georgetown, 80 inside of Myrtle Beach, and 79 inside of Hilton Head Island. Peak sustained winds for today, right now, seems to be that it's going to be a pretty calm day today, around 3 to 7, maybe even 8 miles per hour through the inland regions, and around 9 to 10 miles an hour near the coastal regions. If you look at gust as well, Midlands can get gusts from 8 to 10 miles an hour, 8 to 12 miles per hour. Gusts up there in the upstate can be around 5 to 7 miles an hour. The PD region, 7 to 13 miles per hour in the PD region, and then the low country around 6, probably all the way up to around 12, 13 ish miles per hour. Here is our forecast precipitation. You can obviously see that there is a lot going on here. 3 to 4 inches of rain possible near Aiken and Barnwell. 1.5 inches to 2 inches possible in Columbia. 2 to 3 inches possible inside of Charleston. Maybe even 1 to 1.5 inches possible in Georgetown. Half inch to an inch in Myrtle Beach, Dillon, Cheraw. 1.5 or 1 to 1.5 inches possible inside of Winnsboro and Greenwood, half an inch to an inch in Newberry, Lawrence, and then a quarter of an inch to half an inch possible in Greenville, Spartanburg, Rock Hill as well. So a lot of rain is forecasted over the next 24 hours from this morning all the way into tomorrow. So definitely bring that umbrella with you when you go out, either today or tomorrow. Thunderstorms are forecasted for the entire state. No severe weather, but thunderstorms are indeed expected. And in terms of excessive rainfall, if you live in areas like Augusta, Edgefield, you're under a moderate risk of excessive rainfall, meaning that you have a 40% chance of receiving flash flooding, meaning that is probably not widespread flash flooding, dangerous flash flooding, but definitely will cause some flash flooding issues in that area. Slight risk goes all the way from the low country of South Carolina up into the upstate. Marginal risk goes all the way from the PD region up towards the upstate, as well, the far upstate. So, green is 5%, 15 is yellow is 15%, and then moderate is 40%. Let's check out the models now real fast. We're not going to take too long on this because we're getting a bit closer to... but let me see. Starting off here on the 12Z. You'll see as you push this forward, start to see that shower and thunderstorm activity push through at around 2, 3, 4 o'clock. This is what 4 o'clock could look like right here. And if you go through, this is what 8 o'clock could look like. This is 12 o'clock in the morning right here. And this is all the way at 5 o'clock. Look at all this rain that is falling as we go through it. And that's not even it either, because that only goes, well, actually, mainly over, but not it exactly, because this goes over 24 hours. So again, this is actually just a little snapshot of what we could see over the next 29 or so hours, but what happens past that has not been issued yet. They just issued the 30th hour or the 29th hour, but nothing really happened. So a lot of rain forecasted. A lot of rain forecasted from now to like tomorrow afternoon, especially. Let's go and talk about the tropics. Rafael over here, not doing much. It is a 100-mile-per-hour storm now, a Category 2 hurricane, as it is going to enter through Cuba and kind of just stall out in the Gulf as it turned into a tropical storm. It was actually expected. The cone showed it that it was expected to make landfall somewhere near Louisiana at around like Sunday going into Monday, but it shifted further west. So now we're going to be watching west of New Orleans now and eastern Texas, southeastern Texas as well. I don't think that Florida will really have a threat with this anymore. Same thing with Alabama. It's not really showing it right now. And it is expected to strengthen near major hurricane intensity before it reaches western Cuba. Tropical storm conditions are expected in lower and middle Florida Keys. And Rafael will bring areas of heavy rain across parts of the western Caribbean through early Thursday, including the areas or the islands of Jamaica and the Caymans and western Cuba. So that's what's going on right now with Hurricane Rafael. And then we have another area that we're watching for right now. Over here, Disturbance 1, which is bringing some showers and thunderstorm activity. An area of low pressure could form near the northern Leeward Islands tonight or Thursday. Some gradual development is possible. And right now, it's only a 20% chance of development over the next 48 hours, 30% chance over the next 7 days. And that is pretty much it. So we did not quite reach our goal of 300 subscribers, but that is fine. We're not going to have a time limit on it anymore. We're just going to wait, see when we hit 300 subscribers. But I'm still going to say, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'm just not going to say the thing about the like goal or the subscriber goal. But make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the share button as well. Share it to all the people that you know. And that's pretty much going to be about it. So hopefully everyone has a fantastic rest of your Wednesday. And I will be back tonight, 9 o'clock p.m. with another forecast update.